Hi, to pair your Marshall Monitor III A.N.C with PC or laptop, as a first step, make sure that they are turned off. For that, take a look at the indicator near the charging port, and if it's turned off, then the headphones are part off as well. So now we'll need to take a look at the right earpiece, and here you would see this gold button, which is control knob. We would need to press and hold that button so the indicator will be blinking blue. Let's try this out. I'm gonna hold the button, and now it is blinking blue, so they are ready to be paired. So we will need to simply find settings on our device, or you can just trigger this Bluetooth and tap the arrow, go in more Bluetooth settings, and here is your Bluetooth settings. So first thing first, make sure that Bluetooth is enabled. If not, you will need to click on this switcher to see the status on. After that, click on this blue button Add Device, like that. Select Bluetooth, and now find the name of your device in this list. Here it is, Monitor III A.N.C. Just click on it, and just in a couple of seconds it would be paired. And yes, now we can see this status connected, and also we can check it in the list of our devices. And if you want to use microphone in your headphones, you would need to switch to this system section. Simply click on it and then click on this sound tab. And after that, in this section, choose where to play sound. You would need to select your headphones by clicking it, so it will light up blue like that. And that's it for today. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. I wish you all the best, and bye-bye.